Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to give you a full tutorial on exactly how to start making money with Amazon Associates. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because we're all about helping people create time freedom, the time freedom you deserve. So if you want that, subscribe so we can help you. Now, what is Amazon Associates? Amazon Associates is their affiliate marketing program. Anything that gets sold on Amazon, you can promote it on the internet. Anywhere on the internet, you can promote it with a special link that's cookied to you. And when you do that and someone purchases, you make some money. Now, we actually prefer to really work with digital products because when you sell a digital product, something that's totally online, like a video series, training, downloads, that kind of stuff, you make typically 30 to 50% of whatever that sales price is. But you can still make some good money when you got some traffic coming using Amazon's program selling actual physical products. However, you're looking more usually between 5 and 7% of the purchase price is what you are going to make per sale. So on a $100 thing that you promote, if it's a physical product like through Amazon, that's like $5 to $7. If it's a digital product like a training program, something like that, then instead of $5 to $7, that could be $30, anywhere to $50. So that's the benefit of digital products. If you want to learn more how to do that, top link in the description. Grab access to that. I got a full training going to teach you how to really create that digital affiliate marketing business. But back to Amazon. Here is my screen. I'm going to show you their page. So honestly, you can just Google Amazon affiliates. It'll take you right here. But the website is affiliate-program.amazon.com. And this walks you through everything that you need to know and allows you to click to get started. Now it does say earn up to 10%. There's very few things that you're actually going to earn 10% on. Typically, you're looking at 5 to 7% of that sales price. Now, from this main website, simply click the join now for free and fill out the information. Now, they will, I think, ask you for a website. So if you don't have a website, go create a YouTube channel, Instagram, something like that. Grab the link to those accounts and fill that in for now. So now you're an associate of Amazon's. How do you actually promote any of their products? Well, I'm going to show you 3 separate ways that you can do this. Great examples of things that I've found and that you can implement in your business right away. Now, let's say you really love makeup. It's your thing, or you find some sort of interest in it, or you just want to be on Instagram, and makeup is really easy to run with on Instagram. So find a product on Amazon that fits that industry that you could promote. Obviously, it's always best to promote things that you can actually stand behind, but we're going to kind of skip past all of that today and just talk about the mechanics of what you need to do. So let's look at these. This is like false eyelashes. Okay, found these on Amazon. Let's say you're in the makeup niche is the focus that you want for the products and what you want to promote. Perfect. Instagram is definitely where you want to be. Now, what do? You're signed in as the account that you've signed up as an affiliate under. So what you actually have on the very top of your screen is all of your affiliate information. So what you can do is just grab this text, click on that button, and it's going to give you a link. Now, what this means is when you use this link right here, when someone clicks on that from Instagram, that person is going to be cookied to you, and anything they purchase, I think over the next 24 hours from Amazon, you earn the commission for. You earn whatever, 5 to 7% of whatever. So even if they buy the lashes, but maybe they go on and buy a desk or they buy a couch or something big, kind of nice. You can get those commissions too, which is sweet. So grab this link. Now let's look at an Instagram account that this would work with. Now this is actually where I found the name of those lashes because I don't use Falsies, so that would be hard for me to come up with. But I found just any old random makeup based Instagram account. Makeup is huge on Instagram. Travel blogging is huge on Instagram, travel pics, and fitness. Those are 3 things that just work really, really well on Instagram. And you can actually grab pictures and things from other people, and you don't have to create the content yourself necessarily. I'll throw an info card right here. If you want to do this strategy specifically with Instagram, I did a video. It goes more into detail on how to do that without actually creating any of your own content. So check that out if you want to do this strategy. Now for this gal, she does all kinds of makeup stuff. Everything's makeup, which is great. Now this gal has over 10,000 followers, so she can actually put the links to these products in her stories. But if you're less than 10,000, you have to put them in your actual website link. Okay, so a little bit of variation here based on how many followers you have. But this is her. She did a little video showing this product, right? Going through, she's going to put on some makeup. She's doing all kinds of stuff. In this video, she is teaching someone how to use all of these different products to make this specific makeup look. And obviously she's going to use those lashes eyelashes, she's going to use all of this stuff. So what she could do is actually set up a website that just has all those links in it and has that as her website link. I think Linktree, something like that, you could kind of do with this sort of thing when you've got multiple products that you're using on one post for Instagram. But if, say, she just wants to just promote the lashes, she loves them, she's passionate about them, awesome. In the caption, she's going to tell people to click the link in the bio for these eyelashes. That's simple. Giving value, targeted audience, putting a targeted offer in front of that targeted audience. Easy peasy. Now, let's say that you maybe makeup, that whole, you couldn't relate to any of that because you're a guy and you're not into makeup. No problem. Well, let's talk YouTube. You can do the same type of strategy on YouTube. So look up dog food. Maybe you found, maybe you're all into animals. You love dogs, you love animals, and you're able to create some content about dogs. Perfect. So go to Amazon, grab that link for the dog food that you prefer to feed your dogs that you really think is awesome. Then create a YouTube video telling people why you use this dog food, how good it's been for your animals. Look up some facts from the manufacturer's website about why they're so fabulous. Whatever. Put together a video. You can actually video your dog eating the food, showing the bag, and having your voice in the background, and then you could maybe add in a few slides as you're talking about some of the important points about why this is the best dog food to get. Easy. Slap that puppy together, get that up on YouTube, and then in the description of your video, look at this video is all about best dog food to buy, right? Best dog food to buy. Look at how many views this video has. Over 200,000 views. That's kind of insane. And if you can imagine, if people are looking, they're searching for the best dog food to purchase, and there's a video explaining to them all the pros and cons of the very best dog foods on the market, you think, how many clicks do you think they got on these links? Look in their description. All 5 of their top 5 choices are linked here. You better believe those are affiliate links. Those are links that when someone clicks on them, poof, this channel gets paid. That's affiliate marketing, folks. Super simple. So giving, they created a video that speaks to their target audience and that naturally leads people who want to purchase whatever their offer is. They've got links off to these specific dog food brands. People go off and purchase, they make a commission. Don't overthink this. It's really not that hard. Coming up with lists like this on the best things, the best types of products, great way to create content for people who are ready to purchase. They're actually looking to purchase something. They're going to search for the very best dog food, the very best cat food, the very best dog leash, whatever. And they find your video, your content, they've got their credit card already in hand. They want to make a purchase. You're just telling them what to purchase. You're going to tell them that you have it linked right in your description of your video. Just click on that link to purchase. They're going to do it because it's simple, because it's easy and right there for them. So YouTube is the second way you can do this. So Instagram number 1, YouTube number 2, and number 3 is blogging. Let's jump over to a blog that I found about gaming equipment. Todd and I back in the day, we were kind of gamers, I have to say. Before we had a business to pour our heart and souls into, we spent way too many hours online playing role-playing games online. It was insane. Anywho, there's a whole industry kind of based around gaming. Gaming is big and people need equipment. And honestly, gamers can spend many, many hours a day playing their games online. So they're gonna want their equipment to be top notch, right? It's gotta be ergonomic. They're gonna be doing it for hours on end. This is a great website. I found this gearscope.com and it's all about gaming. And so they've got, this is an example of one of the articles on their website, Best Gaming Mouse in 2019. So here you go. They did a product review. Great way to do affiliate marketing is doing product reviews. So they did a product review for this mouse, and Logitech, our gaming mice. I think we had Razors back when we were doing it, but we have Logitech mice for other stuff. Good mice. I don't know if you say it that way. Mouses. I don't know what the proper thing for a computer mouse is, but these things, right? So they go through it and what they liked, what they didn't like. They list it all out for you. Okay, very, very specific. Like I say, gamers, could be pretty crazy about their equipment because they're doing it for so long, right? Because they do it for hours on end. So this is a great example of how you could do a blog post reviewing some sort of product that people are searching for, and I just looked up Best Gaming gaming gear, best gaming equipment. This website came up, has tons of these articles. Check price on Amazon. Do you think they get paid when you click that button? Absolutely. They get paid. That's an affiliate link hidden in a button. You click that button, it's a link that takes you out to Amazon. When you purchase this mouse or anything else in the next 24 hours, it's going to be cookied to them and they're going to make commissions on it. So I hope I debunked this sort of crazy idea of how to actually put this to work, right? Yes, Amazon has stuff that you can make money with, but how do you do it? Well, 3 great options: Instagram, YouTube, blogging. Exactly these examples right here, perfect examples of what you can do to promote an affiliate offer with a physical product, something off of Amazon. Now again, if you want to learn more about just the digital world, click that link, top link in the description, guys. Grab access to our training. We're going to walk you through it. Now please know that we are rooting for you. I'm here to help you create time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to the channel, if this is the very first video that you've seen of ours, welcome. Hi, happy to meet you. Go ahead, click that subscribe button right now so that we can help you create that time freedom you're looking for. Once again, I'm Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Head over, watch this video next. Right above my head should be floating a rectangular thing right up there. Hit that button, watch that video next, guys, and I'll see you soon.